Hi, we wanted to quickly show you a demo on how memberships work in our system with bookings, and this is SimplyBook system. So we'll start with the booking page that you get when you sign up for a SimplyBook account. And to better show you exactly how memberships work, let me just scroll to the service that says members only weekend morning session. So assume I'm a golfer and I really want to reserve spot on a weekend because this is where people have time and the weather might be nice this weekend, so I want to do it. And I go ahead and I try to purchase it. So I want to purchase for Saturday, right? For early in the morning, 8 o'clock. And it says that I need a membership on top, so I try and I still scroll and try to purchase it, but okay, I'm not able to do it. It says the membership is required. So this is one use case on how you can utilize memberships in our system. You have some service that is for some reason exclusive. One is there's certain date that's reserved for members. There's certain SUC schedule that's only available for members, and a lot more that you can include. So what I did is to create this is I've set up the service and I connected it to a membership. That's pretty much it, right? So this is it. And then we have another use case, which is also very common, is you have clients booking every session one at a time, right? And they're purchasing one at a time, but you really want to make the revenue stream to be more streamlined, and you want to incorporate subscriptions in your service. So you want to make it apparent to them that it's actually worth just buying a membership and getting something like unlimited sessions in 1 month, or maybe 10 sessions. But when I look at the price comparison, it's considerably less if I will compare it to the single sessions. For example, this whole membership cost me, for the sake of testing, $5, but when I come back, I see the guests pay $2 for each session, right? So the membership would be such a steal. And this is when you, as business owner, set up two services. So one would be just your regular guest service, and another one will be connected to a membership. And membership in this case, just like before, is a restriction tool. So even if I try to book this service, I won't be able to do it until I have a membership, right? But of course, I could come back and just book as a guest. So both these services, so golf session for members and golf session for guests, are actually connected to the same, what we call service provider. And this is exactly how you do it, to do it correctly, which is also very important if by chance you're offering group classes or sessions where 10 people can book at the same time. And if you set it like I described, then you can have members and you can have guests book at the same time, but the limit will still be 10. Doesn't matter who's booking, all right? So let me try to go ahead and purchase a membership. Just a quick one, I can show you how you can also promote membership on your Instagram page. So I'm using Linktree to just free account for now, to just redirect my clients to my booking page, to the membership section. So I will go to the highlight story here at members only, right? Follow the link, and it takes me to exclusive offers for members. All right, I will tell you a bit more about this web app that you are seeing banner for below, but for now I'll close it. So this is where I can purchase my membership. Let's say I want to do it right now. Hey, it includes weekend mornings, so I have no time to waste. So I'll go ahead and try to purchase it. As you can see, the promo codes can also be used for memberships as well, if you want to promote it with some kind of email campaign, for example. So I will go ahead and select a card that I've saved before with Stripe on this page and proceed with payment. And below you will actually see auto renew membership, and yeah, so I'll proceed. Okay, let's allow it a second to process. Right, so payment was received and my card was charged, and now I'm receiving the email from membership activation. And let's see, okay, the invoice is attached as well. So let's go back and check if I can actually book now with my membership. I will go to golf session for members. Actually, let's go and book that weekend morning session. Select Saturday, 8 o'clock. These questions that you're seeing here are optional. And you can set up a custom questionnaire for your clients to answer when they book, but this is not required, right? So I'll go ahead and proceed. Okay, sweet. So now I have my morning booking. The notification you're seeing on top is from our admin app. So this is you as business owner receiving notification when somebody's booking. Okay, so now let me just quickly show you. So let's say I'm a member, right? And I don't want to have to come back to my browser, and search for your website to book again, because I want to be booking again since I've got a nice deal. In this case, you want to encourage your clients to actually download our client app. And to do that, let me just come back and open this link in browser. Okay, so your clients just ended up on your page.simplybook, right? And from here, actually, let me reload it. From here, I will see this banner that instructs me on how to add this web app to my home screen so I can book whenever I want. And also stay signed in, right? Because I don't want to have to repeatedly have to enter my password. So it's asking me to click on this icon below, and then I click on add to home screen. This is what I, as a business owner, assume called my app, and this is my logo. So it's all custom branded. We'll add it. And now when I go to the app, I will just need to sign in one time. So let me do that. Okay, and I click remember me. All right, so now I signed in, and from here I can book my services. I can see my bookings, right? I booked something before, so it's here. I can cancel my booking, add it to calendar, look at my invoices, and in the menu, it's also possible to see the rest of the options that this business offers. I can see loyalty points, gift cards, etc. So let me just quickly show you how I can go ahead and make a booking by using the membership that I have. So let me just quickly accept cookies. Okay, golf simulator for members. Okay, so let's pick this one. Actually, let me come back. Right. So this is a regular one. This time I don't want to do the weekend, just a business day, but for members. So I don't want to have to pay for it again, since I already did. Friday, 12 o'clock. Okay. And these are optional questions again, so I'll just skip them. Confirm booking. I can actually click add another service and book for more dates. Confirm. Okay. Now it's done. And so the notifications you're seeing again are from from admin app, also from the messenger called Telegram, and from the email. Okay. Thanks so much.